Hey folks, today I'd like to show you how to assemble a beehive. Beehive sent out this hive kit and they asked if I could do a video to show their customers how to put one together. And it's really a simple and easy process. Now this kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes a telescoping lid, an inner cover, a honey super, 2 deep brood boxes, as well as the frames and waxed foundations and the screws and nails to put everything together. It also has a solid bottom board and even an entrance reducer. So stick around, I'll show you what everything is, how to put it together step by step. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. I'll also be sure to link Maybe's website in the description so that you can order a kit like this and get ready for the next swarm season. And so I brought out my little bee kit and I'm going to do a little unboxing here, get all the parts set out, and try to show you how to put everything together. This just arrived yesterday and I just unboxed everything and I'm getting ready to put it together. It's very similar to the hives that I use, and so I'm just going to get busy assembling this. So they use a dovetail joint, which is supposed to be a really strong joint. These are the frames that the honeybees use as a foundation to start building their comb with which to fill nectar and convert to honey. You can get these out of wax. This one is wax coated plastic. So there's a channel in each of these top and bottom bars that the foundation will slide into. And then we use the bottom bar to attach that. We will put 2 nails in the top of each side, 2 nails in the bottom of each side, and then they simply hang in the hive. So again, this is the top bar with a channel. These are the side bars. They just fit right into place. The manufacturer recommends to use glue, but I'm not using glue today to attach those together. I'm simply going to use the nails. The bees have quite a bit of propolis that they use to glue things into place, and that seems to work really well for me. Let me just add 2 nails here. And then you flip it over and do the same thing on top. So then you would just put the inner cover on and the lid. During the winter time, when you want to minimize drafts, or during a robbing situation, you can simply use this entrance reducer, which can be used with the large opening or the small opening. You just turn it to whichever way you want. I tend to go with the large opening during the winter. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. If you'd like a hive just like this, visit Maybe's website. I'll be sure to link it in the description. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for stopping by.